get a shot of your thing there?
Thank you so much, Sandra. And we are also... Have a great run out there, ladies and kids.
We're ready. On your mark.
Coming out here and showing what women can do. Female power out there. 40th anniversary of the New York Roadrunner. Have a great time, ladies. Always a great vibe when we have this race. The women are out here ready to have a good time, have a great... Hilda, Yvette, Madeline. For our promotional sponsor for today. I'm glad all of you are being here today. Actually, Mary, Rita, Megan, Anna Marie, Anna Marie, Anita. Deja vu, I thought was cute. What is your American?
Go India! Charge! Good job, Betty. Go down the stairs.
I thought you were running.
Let's go now, let's go. Working hard now, women. Looking good now. That's the way Smiley looks good.
Absolutely. It's one of the greatest privileges in the world to be participating in a revolution you helped start. It's been amazing. Amazing, amazing change in women's lives globally. And now, I can't talk. It's not about running. It's not about fitness. It's about changing women's lives. Go for it.
We're making history. And every time we run this race, it's history all over again. And New York is an awesome place to do it.
Family and
I have 3 girls. This is the oldest 9. So jogging for us is our time together. So really the only alone time she and I get. But now her middle sister, when we got up this morning, she's ready to start running with us now. So we'll have another one with us next year maybe.
It's very inspiring. It makes her realize that she can do whatever she sets her mind to. Because most kids don't think they can run this far. But if you just pace yourself, you can do almost anything.
I seriously did no training whatsoever.
It's unbelievable how people can go in it now and like walk and just do it for fitness, do it for fun. They're not in there to go as fast as they can and win.
And did you ever think back to the old days when you were toward the starting line, sit down, strike all that stuff, and come this far?
Aerobics started in 1973, and that began to change the idea that women could spend some time getting fit. I never knew it would come this far, though. This is great.
Congratulations. See you at the finish.
Sidewalk.
Last mile, brother.
I'm gonna do that one more time. Ready? I'm coming back down.
Ladies, one more time. They led the way for us. Runners buildings. Please join our whole staff in a special 4th charm bracelet to Janet Cupo.
Rose from this nice lady here.
Thank you.